5 to the power m times 5 to the power m times 5 to the power m over 5 to the power m plus 5 to the power m plus 5 to the power m equal to 25. How to solve this? So 5 to the power m times 5 to the power m times 5 to the power m. We have an identity where a to the power m times a to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m plus n. So this will be 5 to the power m plus m plus m, then upon, here we can take 5 to the power m common and write 5 to the power n, parenthesis 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 5. So this is 5 to the power 3m upon 5 to the power m times 3 equal to 5, or 5 to the power 3m upon 5 to the power m times 3, we multiply both the sides by 3. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Again there is an identity. If a to the power m upon a to the power n, it is equal to a to the power m minus n. So this will be 5 to the power 3m minus m is equal to 15. So we have 5 to the power 2m equal to 15. Now let's take log to both the sides. So log 5 to the power 2m equal to log 15. According to the logarithm rule, log a to the power b is equal to b log a. So this will be 2m log 5 is equal to log 15. We divide both the sides by log 5. So this log 5 gets cancelled. 2m is equal to log 15 upon log 5. Again divide both the sides by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Therefore m is equal to, we can get the value of log 15 from the logarithm table. So let's check the value in the calculator. Log 15 upon 2 log 5, value is equal to 0.8413. So m is equal to 0.8413. So this is the value of m. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.